We're up a little early today. We're gonna try to get to Roan High Knob shelter. It's got a door on it, an indoor shelter. I don't remember too much about it. It may have bunk beds in it, but I'm not sure.
So we made it up to the top of Roan Mountain, and up here is the ruins of an old luxurious Cloudland Hotel. And here's a little bit of information on it, but I will read it to you. And then I see an old drinking fountain, and somewhere last time we were here there was some ruins of the foundation, so I'm not sure, but we'll look for them. And there's I think a fire ring over there. It says the Cloudland Hotel, perched on this knoll, reflected the grand site of the late, the grand style of the late 1800s, when fine ladies and gentlemen often escaped the city for the summer. Built about 1884, this three-story resort catered to both pleasure seekers and sufferers of hay fever. The hotel straddled the Tennessee-North Carolina state line. In fact, a stripe was painted on the floor through the middle of the dining room and down the length of the long banquet table. Of practical value, this line showed where guests could legally drink alcoholic beverages and where they couldn't. In Tennessee, it was legal to consume alcohol, while in North Carolina, it was not legal. Legend tells of a North Carolina sheriff who lingered around the hotel ready to nab anyone who stepped over the state line with their drinks. Imagine the grandeur of hotel life. Guests relaxed in rockers on the wide porches. They kicked up their heels on the dance floor. They enjoyed bowling, croquet, or golf on the grounds. And they dined on 3 sumptuous meals each day. All this for $2 per day, $10 per week, or $30 per month. I don't know if you could really see that picture of what the hotel looked like. And some people, quote, hiking to their waiting carriages. This was the railroad to Roan Mountain Station in Tennessee. Not sure where that was up here, but that's how the guests were brought up. And then the hotel was dismantled here.
We've had 60 degrees for 3 days in a row hiking, but now we're climbing we're on the top of Roan Mountain, and it's way up there. I don't know the exact elevation, but it's high. And what do we find? Snow. Our old friend. It has returned. I'm glad there's only that much of it, because Roan can be really dangerous with ice and snow coming down off the mountain or climbing it. We did our biggest day so far. We haven't really been doing long mile days with Blue's knee, and then when her knee got better, my foot swelled up. So this is probably this is our longest day, about 13.3. In the last 5 miles of it was straight uphill up Roan Mountain. This is the Roan Mountain shelter. It's a little nicer than most of the shelters on the trail because it actually has a door, and you can go inside and shut the door. Most of the shelters do not have that. They're only 3-sided. That's Blue over there setting up camp. We noticed when we came in that a hiker who signed the guest book left trail magic. We call that when they leave treats. We have the Snicker bar, some Sour Patch. In that one. In this one, there's some hot chocolate and a Sour Patch and a Snickers.
Same.
And I guess the same thing in this one. Sour Patch, Snickers, and hot chocolate. We have enough food, but it's nice to save that for people who really need it. But I might get into those Sour Patch.
Little cocoa.
I got Snickers in my bag, so probably the cocoa and the what do they call them?
Sour Patch.
Sour Patch. I was trying to figure out who left them, so I went over to the logbook, and it says on the 3rd day, a guy named Average Joe from Boone left some snacks from the mouse hooks. Good luck, through hikers. Well, thanks, Average Joe from Boone, because I'll be doing that hot chocolate and some of those Sour Patch. Hope you see this.